Which is your favorite subculture?
Victorian Gothic.
Victorian. This one is a typical Gothic Victorian.
Sure.
So it's a...
Le marquis du XVIIIe siècle, vampire.
Yes, and it's a Victorian... Rococo. Okay, this is a culture.
Always.
So Rococo Goth.
Victorian and Gothic.
Victorian Goth.
Victorian. This is a Rococo.
Rococo. Okay, and this is...
Also Rococo.
Also.
Yes.
Okay, so this is called the partner look.
Classic Victorian.
Yeah, this is Victorian.
Victorian.
I think that there is also a bit of Victorian over here.
Yeah.
New romantic. New romantic. What is this?
This is Victorian.
Victorian. And what is this? This is typical about burlesque, and it's quite big for burlesque.
Yeah.
Like Victorian vampire.
Yes.
And du bist
Mom of Victorian vampire.
Today, Baroque.
Thursday is Barocco. Okay, this is Baroque Goth. And this is really tasty. Gothic Victoria Lolita.
Gothic Victoria Lolita.
Yes.
Oh, Victorian romantic goth.
Yes, this is a Victorian romantic goth.
Romantical.
A bit of Victorian too? With romantic
exactly.
Victorian chic goth. DocumentARI Victorian picnic.
Ein Gentleman 1900.
It's like a military Victorian.
Yes.
Something like this. It's a really strange mix. Victorian for sure. And there is other ingredients.
Romantic goth.
Romantic goth.
Romantic.
Romantic. It's like Victorian romantic.
Yes.
Classy Victorian goth.
Yeah.
La vestimenta victoriana.
Victoriano. This is typical Victorian. This is Victorian too. You are a mama and daughter. Many kind of Gothic. Baroque. Okay. Du bist Lolita.
Lolita.
Yes.
Lolita.
Yeah.
Biedermeier style or Latex lady? Yes.
Latex lady. Victorian latex lady. Okay. Bit Victorian. There is some Victorian elements. Venetian Victorian punky fetish.
Yes.
Yes. This is a Victorian.
Yep.
Team Lolita Victorian. Something like this. What is this? How do you call it? Fantasy?
Around fantasy.
I love fantasy.
Fantasy Victorian also.
A bit of Victorian.
And for sure pagan.
Viktorianisch.
You make it?
Nein, das ist alles
Self-made. Yes, I thought so.
Yeah. This is Victorian Gothic with somebodies.
It's typical Victorian, new romantic Victorian, we can say. This is typical burlesque, and all the rest is goth.
A mixture of Victorian,
This
ballet
is
pop,
Victorian. This is Victorian, totally Victorian.
ballet pop.
What are the ingredients?
Victorian German vampire.
Yes, you are. And so a kind of Victorian, yes?
Yes.
It's a romantic style.
New romantic.
Yeah, new
A
romantic.
bit of Victorian and also new romantic, yeah?
Yeah.
Much burlesque.
I can say Victorian burlesque?
Yes.
Yes, it
very much.
is.